So here is a quick guide on how to create AI videos for free. We'll be using InVideo AI, which lets you generate full videos simply by typing a prompt. Click on my link below to try InVideo AI for free. You can also get 7 days for only $1 using the link. Once you've clicked the link, you'll be brought to this page. So once you've signed in, this will be your dashboard. And over here, you will get to see the prompt box with all these options on the bottom. So all you need to do is type in your prompt for your video. For example, create a cinematic video titled Top 5 Most Amazing Buildings in the World. Then just hit the Run button. After that, you'll be prompted with this box. You can set the duration for your video. You can choose between 45 seconds, 3 minutes, and 5 minutes. And choose the platform for which you're making this video. After that, select the media. You can choose between any of these options. And if you click on the arrow on the bottom left, you will get to see all of these options. You can also add files for reference. And once done, just click on Generate. And as you can see, the video is now being processed. Give it some time to get done. Once the video is ready, it will look something like this. Just click on the play button to have a look.
5 buildings that define human imagination. Fasten your seatbelt. Number 5, the Sagrada Familia in Barcelona.
And as you can see, even with the stock media, it turned out good. If you click on Edit and Download, you will see all of these options. You can also make changes to your video just by describing the changes right here in the prompt box. You can make any changes that you want, but as an example, I will type in something like add subtitles and click on the Run button. And as you can see, it is now adding subtitles to the video. It may take a while, so give it some time to get done. And as you can see, they're now added. Just click on play to check it out. Then, if you go over to the edit option on the bottom, you will get to see all of these options that you can choose from, and then make your desired changes on any of those sections. Once you're satisfied, just click on the download button and the video will be downloaded onto your device. And that's it. That is exactly how to create AI video for free.